Hi, my name is Himanshu Agrawal, and in this video I'll explain you how to use cold email automation to get clients for your consulting business. Now that may sound a little weird, but it's very easy. Believe me, you can get a lot of leads, a lot of calls booked, or a lot of people in your webinar, whatever you do, and basically sell them on your product or service, whatever you choose to, right? I've been using this thing for around now 8 months, and we have already got to a 6-figure level where our consulting business is currently generating 6 figures a month consistently throughout the time, right? So before I get into that, I just want to explain one thing over here. You need 3 things in your consulting business before you get into all tactics and ways to market your product, and that are niche, problem and solution. If you don't have even one of these, then that's a big problem. You need a niche, you need a problem, and you need a solution, right? If you don't have that, any tactic or any marketing strategy that I gave you will not work, because the frameworks and the foundations are wrong, right? Now I want to show you something, and after that we'll jump into the funnel of cold email automation. So this is my laptop that you can currently see, and I'm using a tool known as D7 Lead Finder. Now let's say your niche is digital marketers. So this is what I'll do. I'll go over here and I'll type a keyword which is digital marketing agency. You can see I click on this and I'll choose a city. Let's say I'm targeting Mumbai. I'll click on Mumbai and I'll click on get leads. Now you see how easy it is to get leads into your business. Now you can see there are 3 minutes 40 seconds to remaining. Now we'll jump into the funnel, and after 3 minutes 40 seconds I'll show you what happened. Now this is how the funnel works. You get leads through this software which is D7 Lead Finder. You start getting leads by this D7 Lead Finder into your business, right? So you find a list of prospects that you can reach out to. Then you use a software which is known as Sales Rocks. I have a software which is known as Sales Rocks. I use it. I have a lifetime deal for it, and that is used for prospecting out those clients. Now what you do is you have a four email sequence to send to them. The first one is to build credibility. The second one is to provide value. The third one is to build authority, and the fourth one is to sell them. So I build credibility by showing my websites, testimonials, everything. Then I provide them value by showing them how I can get them clients. Then I build authority by telling them how I am one of the leaders in the industry and how I can teach them what I am trying to teach. And the last is sell. I try to get them on a call so that we can basically help them and see how we can take this forward, right? And this 4 email sequence is all automated. That means I don't need to sit and work all day long to send these people. So what I do is I take a list of leads, let's say 100 leads, right? Now I add them to this email sequence, right? So let's say this email goes on the first day, on the third day, on the 7th day, and on the 14th day, right? And the next day I add 100, and the next day I add 100. These all 100 would be going through that email sequence again and again and again, right? And at the end I would be having my money. This is how simple it is. Now here's what I have to say. You can set this up in just half an hour, but you need to know how, and you need to have templates for these emails, because we'll track 3 things: bounce rate, open rate, and click-through rate. That means how many people actually received your message. Second, how many people opened your email. And third, CTR, click-through rate. How many people were actually clicking on the link in these emails, right? Because after this, people come on a call with us and we basically use a script, or people come on a webinar with us, right? And we use the script to make money. That's how easy it is. And you can sell high ticket products through this, because you can particularly target people of certain cities, or people with certain niche, people with certain problem, and these kind of things, right? Now these are the 3 things that you need to focus on. The last thing that I can help you with is comment the word ICE, and one of my team members will reach you out and help you extensively on building this type of a system. Now currently this is the one system that I'm using to generate leads as well as market my product and sell my product. I'm using right now 9 of these strategies, and not just a single strategy, right? 9 strategies. Just comment the word ICE and we'll see how we can help you to grow your coaching or consulting business. Now before you go away, I have something to show you that I told you earlier. Now you can actually see how many leads we generated in a matter of 3 minutes. This video is in a continuous form. You can see how many leads are there. So let me show you what happened. I searched digital marketing agency in Mumbai. This is the name of the agency. This is the phone number. This is their email address. Now this is blurred because obviously for reasons I cannot show you. Now this is their website. This is their LinkedIn. This is their Facebook. This is their email. You just copy these, or you basically click on this Excel button and you get it in Excel format. You copy these emails and you just put it into a software and the game is done, right? You can know how many ads they are running in the ad section. You can see if they have a pixel or tracking code on their website, right? What is the category? Is there a marketing agency, internet marketing agency, advertising agency, website designing company? You can see all of that. You can see what's their Google, Instagram, Twitter, all these profiles. So just in a matter of 3 minutes, we were able to generate more than 100 leads. Now just imagine at a scale of level, right? So let me do some maths over here. I'll do some simple maths, right? Let's say you send 100 emails a day, not more than that. That means per month you send 3000 emails. Average industry rate is 5% open rate and 1% click-through rate. 1% of people clicked on this link, right? How many are 1% of people? 30 people clicked on the link, and let's say 10 people booked the call with you, and you are only sending 100 emails a day, and that too for kind of free, right? So 10 people booked the call with you. If you have a good conversion rate, for example, our conversion rate is 60%. Let's say yours is 30. You converted 3 people, or let's say even a service of 20k per month. Your business is generating right now 60k per month without doing any work. So I hope you liked it. Just comment the word ICE and we'll reach out to you to see if we can help or not. Thanks. Now just to give you a glance, I am sharing you my funnel, right? Now this funnel is a little complex. It's not like a very simple thing that I can share on this video, but this is how my funnel looks. There are 5 VAs, there are 5 accounts, and an automated thing is working. The VA is being gone through a process and then he selects the account. So it's a very complicated process. You don't need to get in this right now. The process I've shared you before this clip is basically the main thing through which you can basically get clients, right? And that is how you get to 6 figures just using email automation and start getting clients for your consulting or coaching business.